At the top tonight, Nueces County Attorney Jenny Dorsey refiled a petition to remove District Attorney Mark Gonzalez from office today, the same day he made an impassioned plea for the county to pay his legal fees in the civil action.
Now, the petition accusing Gonzalez of incompetence and official misconduct. Our Bill Churchwell joins us now and breaks down the more than 30-page petition that also included 28 exhibits.
That's right, all 35 pages worth, but it was earlier in the day when Gonzalez went before county commissioners to argue his case, asking the county to foot the bill for his legal fees.
My name is Mark Gonzalez. I'm your two-time elected district attorney, and I'm here to ask that you approve my legal fees.
Gonzalez's plea came during public comment. The move to oust the county's top prosecutor started back in January when resident Colby Wiltz filed a petition to have him removed. The next month, County Attorney Jenny Dorsey endorsed the filing. However, during a March 8th hearing, visiting Judge David Peoples of San Antonio gave Dorsey 2 weeks to refile the petition in her own words. This is that petition, filed just before the 5 o'clock deadline.
And it's almost poetic, and it even strikes me funny that we're here on Gideon Day.
Gonzalez is referring to the anniversary of the landmark decision from Gideon versus Wainwright, which guarantees counsel to defendants who cannot afford it. He then went on to state the reasons why he should have his fees covered.
One, you already have. I've been sued twice in my public capacity, and every time the county has agreed to represent me.
Gonzalez said he was disappointed that his request had not been put back on the agenda after no action was taken March 8th, and disappointed that commissioners were willing to pay for outside counsel to come in and advise them in the matter.
Number two, if it's quasi-criminal, this court always pays for jailers anytime they're accused.
He is currently being represented by Corpus Christi attorney Chris Gell, who sent this statement saying, quote, "It's a shame that county money and resources are being spent to pick up the baton of a petition based on politics and a difference of ideals." During his time at the podium, Gonzalez referring to movies like Braveheart and The Legend of Billie Jean.
That thing says, what's fair is fair. Commissioner, what's fair is fair. Shouldn't I get my legal fees paid for?
I asked County Judge Connie Scott if the county was prepared to pay for Gonzalez's legal fees.
We hired outside counsel because of the situation with the county attorney having to be the one to prosecute this case, so we knew to keep it totally separate, so that's why we had to hire outside counsel. But he advised us to, if we wanted to seek an attorney general opinion, and that takes time. So we are not saying yes, we will provide him with an attorney, and we're not saying no yet, that we won't provide him with an attorney.
Waiting for the AG's response, it is something she says may take time. One of the examples used by the county attorney and presented as an exhibit was the number of times the defendant, Mark Gonzalez, used his key card to enter his office. Every employee at the Nueces County Courthouse is issued such a key card. According to this, now the log showed an average attendance to the building of 8 days per month from February 22 to February 23. The petition will be sent back to the visiting judge, who will ultimately decide if this case moves forward. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Bill, for that report.